Everybody shops on Amazon, and it's the quickest way to get parts to your car. Let's talk about the top 5 Amazon mods. Let's go. What is going on YouTube? I am back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 mods you can buy from Amazon. Yes, Amazon, the biggest hub in the world, quickest shipping. You can get something to your door the moment you get your car, and in a couple hours now, and mod your car the moment you get it. So if you have a Challenger, a Charger, a Cadillac, a Camaro, there is mods all over, and this is my top list for all American V8s and cars across the board. Amazon has it for you. Let's dive into my 5. So with that, first thing you're gonna need is an Amazon account. Get it on Prime, get it there quicker. But my first one is simple. A lot of people sleep on this, but it's the interior or ambient lighting. That is one of my top mods because one, I'm starting to appreciate more of a luxury feel on the inside of the car, because most of my cars have been gutted and tin canned and all this stuff. But to me, the ambient lighting is somewhat cheap and then easy to install in your driveway, in your garage, and it changes the look of the car. You can get it to where it changes colors, one color, and it changes the look of the interior of your car. That's where you are. You're inside of the car driving. Why not feel good about how the inside of your car looks? I promise you, this is somewhere between $29 to $70, depending on which one you have. And some of the best cars they look good in are the C8 Corvettes, the ZL1s. Some of the ZL1s actually have some sort of ambient lighting, but those are the two I think looks the best. The next piece for my Charger, especially my Charger and Challenger guys, they're gonna have diffusers and front lips from Icon Motorsports. They're gonna have carbon fiber, gloss black, satin black, 3-piece, 2-piece, all sorts of aspects for diffusers and front lips, and for fairly cheap. My wife's wide body Scat, we had a 3-piece front lip from Amazon. It cost us like $109. So when you break it off, hit a parking space or like a lip, you go off too quick. Shout out to my wife for that. And you break a piece off, you're not breaking the bank, right? I know there's plenty of other shops that have them, but Icon Motorsports from Amazon, your diffuser and front lips are 100% worth it. You can get them in a day, so if you got a car show tomorrow and the one you have broke, you can get it on and off. It comes with all the parts needed. Number 2, diffusers and front lips. Number 3, people sleep on this, and I'm not necessarily like the biggest fan, but with so many luxury car mats out there and companies now dyeing the leather seats, which I don't necessarily think is a good thing, because at some point it's going to bleed off or fail, right? But a good car seat cover, I know there's a lot of companies, but a good car seat cover can change the look of your car, especially if you have cloth seats. If you have cloth seats, I 100% say get some very good quality car seat covers and a leather feel, and it'll change the look. You'll be able to clean the car a lot better, and then you'll protect the stock seats. So when you go to sell it or trade it in, the interior still stays brand new, and all you gotta do is take the car seat off. 100% top 3 mods from Amazon, no doubt. I've seen some from $89 all the way to $499, so they can get a little pricey, but they do change the look. Then number 4, it's actually one of my favorite little subtle touches. I had it on every Challenger that I've ever had and every Mopar I've ever had, and it's the puddle lights. I always went with the logo, so when I had a Hellcat, I had a Hellcat logo. When I had a 1320, I had the 1320 logo. When I had the RT, I had the RT logo. I think it just adds a little subtle flex when you open the door at night. It adds a little bit to the cosmetic or the look of the car that people may not see, but you get to see every time you open the door, or you open the door for somebody to get in your car. And they're very cheap and easy. I'm talking about, I installed mine in like 2 minutes each side of the door, boom, forgot about it, and every time I open the door, I smile, right? Puddle lights, 100% worth it. I've seen some from $10 up to $30. You can do it on your own. You don't need anything but normally a flathead screwdriver, plug and play, done. And then lastly, something I've learned over the course, the importance of floor mats. One, a clean floor mat makes your car look clean. I learned that from my detailer. If you can have a clean floor mat, you won't pay attention to how dirty the rest of the car is. It makes the car feel and look a whole lot cleaner. So they have WeatherTech mats, they have custom luxury mats on there with diamond stitching. They have all sorts of everything. But most importantly, they have ones that have either your logo, if you got a Scat Pack, they have the Scat Pack logo, RT logo, Hellcat logo, all the way down to the Cadillac ones like mine. And a floor mat will change the look of your car. I promise you. You're like, well, I don't want to spend 200 bucks on a floor mat. You know, don't cheap out on these. These will help not only keep your car clean, but also give a really good look to your car. Shout out to my guy, CLT Hemi. He was the one who actually put me on floor mats from Amazon. He had a silver Scat Pack, and he had some black and silver floor mats that had a silver Scat Pack and then the Scat Pack logo. Bro, it changed the look of the car versus what he had, changed the look. 100%, I can't express it more than that. These are my top 5 mods. You guys saw all of them right here. Make sure you log into Amazon, grab you one of these mods, go change your car tonight. We're out.